Hi, my name is Hannah. This is my very first video on YouTube. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, if you like this topic, please subscribe to see more. And thank you very much.
You can go to a local crafting store and ask around to see if they sell this kind of materials, or you can easily shop online. You can visit ebay.com and find crepe paper. See the result. You can choose any color that you like. And floral white is a perfect choice for making leaves and branches. And the last item, floral tape. Yeah, this is the color I'm going to use for my project. Girl brush, the flower I love so much. I have light green, dark green, orange, thin wire, thick wire, two-side tape, floral tape, hot gun and some hot stick, scissors, and ruler. Take a light green paper and cut a piece. Is 1.5 inches wide. Spread it gently and loosely grab the paper around the wire. You can tightly grab if you want to, but it will take more paper. Then you get something like this. Cut 2 more pieces, the same measurement, 1.5 inches wide. Spread it gently. Fold it in half again and again. Trim the edge like this. Then trim the top into pointy. Do the same way with the other piece. Now I'm going to unfold it. Take scissors to trim the paper. And tightly grab the paper around the wire. and you get something like this. Take the orange paper. The measurement will be 1.5 inches wide. And 2 inches wide. Straight it gently, fold it in half 2 times. Trim the edge. And cut the top into a pointy. It's time to cut the petals. I fold it in half 2 times. Cut it fringe. Trim the edge to create petals. You can see I have 3 sides here. Open it. Take scissors to trim the paper. Tightly grab the paper. Green the petals. Stretch the middle up a little bit. Wrap the petals around the stamen. stop whenever you want to make it perfect. Cut petals separate and glue it. Take a dark green paper and cut a piece. Fold it in half 2 times and cut the top into a pointy. Glue it. Secure it with floor tape. It's time to create leaves. Cut a piece of dark green paper. Fold it in half. And trim like this. Open it. Split the tape into 2 and glue it on a thin wire. Straighten the middle a little bit to give leaves a realistic shape. Take floor tape. It works best if you stretch it as you work. That makes it more sticky. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.